Hi, I'm Alina. Welcome to the Russian Speaking Club. It's a 3-week course that will help you to learn the most important vocabulary and grammar and practice speaking.
Where are you from?
Откуда ты?
Я из США.
It's held in the format of a group chat where you get different materials for studying and tasks where you can practice Russian through text, audio, video messages.
Привет всем! Я выбираю букву Я. Это я. Это Ярко.
Also different games, interactive tasks, and every weekend we make live speaking sessions where you can put all the knowledge that you got throughout a week into practice.
Все понятно, все хорошо. Окей. Да, все отлично, хорошо. Да.
Хорошо, спасибо. Харун.
On our speaking sessions, you discuss different topics, the teacher answers all your questions and corrects your pronunciations. Our teachers are certified teachers of the Russian language for foreigners with years of practice and good reviews.
I just finished the beginners group in Russian Speaking Club and I really enjoyed it.
And it was absolutely fun. There was people from all over the world.
I have all the compliments for your team, your expertise.
And funny enough, I learned much more than I realized.
As you will really feel like a family, and the teacher Aliona is always very available to help you.
Our club is unique as it's not one of those speaking clubs where everyone comes to a speaking session and doesn't know what to talk about, knows no words or vocabulary to discuss those topics, doesn't know the teacher or people there and feels kind of awkward. No, we have a system where you learn all the grammar and vocabulary to prepare you for these speaking sessions. And after such week of preparation, you come to a speaking session feeling more confident and ready to really speak and practice with others. In our club, we have 3 groups from 0, if you've never learned Russian, you want to start with the alphabet, elementary, and intermediate or higher. We will be very happy to see you in our club. До встречи!